Good morning, class 3. I hope everyone is fine. We were doing book work of chapter number 2, that is keeping safe. Till now, we have done fill-ups and true false. So today we will do choose the correct options. Please, students, open your books at page number 27. Choose the correct options. Question number 1 is, which of these should you not touch with wet hands? Toys and bags, pencils and books, electric wires and plugs, gas stoves and firecrackers. Answer is electric wires and plugs. Question number 2. Which of these can cause harm to us in the school bus? Sticking out face from the window, running behind the bus to catch it, getting off a moving bus, all of these. All of these are responsible for it. Question number 3. Which of these can help us stay safe on the road? Zebra crossing, subway, walking on the footpath, all of these. Again, answer is all of these. Question number 4. Which of these lights tell vehicles to wait? Red, yellow, green, gray. Answer is yellow. Question number 5. Which of these would you find in a first aid box? Band-aid and scissors, helping aid, gauze and cotton, antiseptic lotion, all of these. All of these are found in the first aid box. Answer number 6. What is the immediate help given to an injured person? First aid, band-aid, helping aid, prime aid. That is the first aid. Question number 7. Which of these objects can cause fire at home and cause harm? Knife, scissors, gas stove, bed. Answer is gas stove. Seventh answer is gas stove. Question number 8. How should we wait for the bus at a bus stop? Push each other, stand in a queue, stand in a circle, run around. Answer is we should stand in a queue. Queue means line. We should always stand in a line while waiting for the bus. So these are the answers. Answer number 1, electric wires and plugs. 2, all of these. 3, all of these. 4, yellow. 5, all of these. 6, first aid. 7th, gas stove. And 8th, stand in a queue. Next, give one word for the following. A special part of the road marked with black white lines used to cross the road. That is called as zebra crossing. Number 2, an underground path used to cross a busy road. That is called the subway. Number 3, what a red light says. A red light says to stop. Zebra crossing, subway, and stop. Next, give 2 examples for the following. Now come to 2 examples. Number 1, sharp objects that can cause harm at home. Knife and scissors. Number 2, what we can use to cross a road safely? We can use zebra crossing, and subway. Number 3, colors of a traffic light. Any 2 colors you can write. Red, yellow, or green. Number 4, contents of a first aid box. You can write band-aid, bandage, gauze, scissors. First answer is knife and scissors. Second, zebra crossing and subway. Third, red and yellow. Fourth, band-aid and scissors. Next, come to safety rules should be followed everywhere. Means let's recall, come to the let's recall. Safety rules should be followed everywhere, at home, at school, on the road. So we should write the safety rules over there. They should be followed at different places. First is at home. At home, one is given already there. Do not leave your toys, bags and books lying on the floor. Second, third and fourth, we have to write the second point of it. Safety at home. Second point, be careful while walking on wet bathroom floors. Room floors. Number 3, never touch electric switches or plugs or wires with wet hands. Number 4, do not go near the gas stove or play with the sharp objects. You can write do not play with the sharp objects. First point you can write, be careful while walking on wet bathroom floors. Never touch electric switches or plugs with wet hands. Do not play with the sharp objects. These points are already given in your book also. These are present on page number 23. Next, safety rules that should be followed at school. One is already given to you. Never run around benches in the classroom. Second, write, do not run while climbing up or down the stairs. Do not run while climbing up or coming down the stairs. Number 3, do not get into or get down from a moving bus. Number 4, never push your friends while playing. Do not run while climbing up or coming down the stairs. Do not get into or get down from a moving bus. Never push your friends while playing. Next, safety rules that should be followed on the road. See them. First is given, do not play on the road. Second is, while crossing the road, first look towards your right, then left. If it is clear, then cross the road. You can write, only cross the road when it is clear. Number 3, do not stick your head or any other part of your body from a moving vehicle. Do not stick your head or any other part of your body from a moving vehicle. Number 4. Use a zebra crossing or a subway to cross the roads. Second point is only cross the road when it is clear. Do not stick your head or any other part of your body from a moving vehicle. Use zebra crossing or a subway to cross the roads. This is all about chapter number 2, keeping safe. It is almost complete. So, beta, now I will send you one worksheet related to chapter 1 and 2. You will have to solve the question answers of these two chapters of the worksheet, and then we will discuss that question answers in the query session. So thank you and have a nice day.